Okay. Hello everyone. Welcome back. And today we are doing this video because we have a genuine problem. Yeah. So I was watching Squid Games, and then this user Shabnam Mushtaq Wani asked for help on this video that I uploaded yesterday. That how to delete, disable, or recover your deleted account. Right. So the video basically focuses on how you can disable temporarily, delete permanently, or recover the deleted or disabled accounts, Instagram accounts mainly. Right. But the problem with Shabnam here is that she basically deleted her account, or maybe I don't know, she's saying that it was hacked earlier. So I am assuming that she basically deleted or the account got deleted somehow, and she was trying to recover it. And while she was trying to recover it, in that process, she by mistake just created the same account again. Yeah. So this the whole scene just got so messed up. Can you just connect with me? Like, let's say this was the previous account, right? Okay, this was the old account. Let's say old account. All right. And Instagram just deleted this account. Okay. So let's say Instagram just deleted this account. Now this space for this account is empty. Like if you will search for this account, it won't be showing you anything, right? Because it has been deleted unless you recover it. And now just imagine someone else, like I'm not saying Shabnam, someone else over the internet just created the account with the same name as this one, right? Or maybe let's say Shabnam only created the same account name and with the same email ID, with the same phone number, everything. And this is like legit. It can happen. Like you can do such mistakes. It's totally normal. So basically, what she did is she created the whole account, like this whole account again, but this time with the same name, same username, same email ID, phone number, everything. So now when she is trying to recover this old account, Instagram is taking her back again to this new one, which she created by mistake. So this is a problem, guys. And maybe Instagram should fix it. Like, this is a legit problem. I was not getting it earlier. Like, all these comments, I didn't get it. But at the end, when she said that, let me show you. When she said ki she was trying it for the last 3 4 days and only the new account was popping up again and again, then I got the problem what she was facing, that she basically deleted the old account and then created the new one with the same, with everything same. So that's the reason why Instagram is thinking that yes, you are trying to log in into the new account while she is actually trying to log in or recover her previous account. So this is quite messed up for her. I don't think it is possible like to recover this old account. What are the chances? Like you have your username, right? Your email address and your mobile number. These three things, they are unique for an account. Email, it's same. Mobile, it can be same, it can be different, so this can be changed. Username is same. How do you do this? I don't know. Not even Instagram creators or the officials, the supporting staff, I don't think so they will be able to recover the account. It's practically impossible. It's like changing the whole algorithm. You getting it? Not possible. It is like you are standing in a queue, right? This, and here you are, right? Now, what happened is you stepped out of the line to take some popcorns, and in that meantime, someone else just came here and took your place with the same identity. So you can't claim this spot again. Okay, this is a problem. Like, if you can help her, just please let her know, right? You can comment on this video, or like I shared this video about like how to recover this deleted Instagram account. I don't think so that it is even possible, because it's like it's theoretically not possible. You are trying to recover something which you have already replaced with a new one similar to the previous one. Too hard. Well, let's see. All we can do is just, I should say, you should contact the Instagram support, which this video tells perfectly, like how to do it and all the things. If it helps, well and good. If it does not, then I should say you should just ask your followers or everyone that things got messed up and here is the new account, just follow them. Okay, so that's all for this video. Actually, it wasn't like a solution video, it was really like it was a genuine problem in Instagram settings or algorithm software, whatever you can say. It was just a problem identification video, which uh, the credit for which goes to her, because I guess everyone can just do that. Because you see, this is the account I was trying to do the same thing as this video told, and it says every time that, let me show you, that we have encountered an error while resetting a password, please try again. Like, it's obviously going to show this because the account is not deleted now, it has the account, the database has the same account. The thing that I can recommend is that if the phone number was different in the old one, then you can just try out uh, by logging in with the phone number, and if that is same, then I don't think, dear, that you will be able to recover the old one. It's too hard. Like, the support team is going to pull out something really miraculous in order to save your account. So yes, that's it. If anyone can help her, please do, because as the channel says that if you learn something new someday, then please do share it with others, right? The ones who are in need. That's how we should do, right? So just please help her. Just comment, reply, support her, man. Try to just share this video ask your friends like how do you just recover the old account when you created the new one with the same credentials, right? See if we can help her. Yes. So that's it for the video. It is like quite late. It's almost 4 in the morning. I was about to sleep when I saw her comments on the video, and I was like, man, okay, I will be able to help her. Yes, yes. Then after some time, I realized that this is like quite messed up right now because she just messed it up. I don't know. Like everyone, like anyone can do that, right? Yes, in hesitation, hopelessness, anyone can do that. It's too obvious. So, yes, that's it for the video. If you have any suggestion or solution for her, just comment it down, help her recover her account, and try asking your friends, right? Your close ones, like if someone has gone through this, so how did they resolve the issue and how should she be doing it? So yes, the help is welcome. So yes, thank you. That's it for the video. If you found it interesting, or I should say, if you want to help her, just share and ask. I'm not saying just share the whole video. Just ask this question, like while talking to your friends. Just ask it because it is genuine question. Like if I want to do it, I can do it right now, right? But then my account will be in trouble, so I don't want to do it. So yes, that's it. That's the end of the video. Thank you, everyone. Good night. Because I'm going to sleep right now. Yes. And Shabnam, we will see what we can do, and you can just watch this video, see how to contact the support, and let's see what they tell you, right? So that's it. Good night, everyone. Take care. Be safe and don't delete your account just for fun. See, things can happen, right? So just be sure while deleting it that yes, you want to delete it for sure, right? Otherwise, just disable it. That's so simple. Just disable the whole account. Why do you want to delete it? Yes. Okay. Thank you. Ta-da.